It's kind of evening, and it's a little bit sunny today. So today is my birthday, I will be going to one of the beach in Kigamboni, which is one of the small island in the other side of Tanzania. And I'm going today with my friend, and I will be using my Bajaj Boxer X150, just as you can see. But also I have other friend who is very in front of me, if you can see it a distant, but they are using a different mode of motorcycle compared to me. Along the road ahead there is a flyover which intersects from Kigamboni going to the port and going to the city. So sunny today actually. So for those who never been in Tanzania, a little introduction. Kigamboni is a small island and it's a very nice place, and the current is growing. People are building their houses there, nice schools, hospital. I can say there is nice progress. And in our area, if you see this kind of motorcycle taking like passengers, this is our normal transport. And in front of me, you can see at a distance there is a tuk-tuk. We call them Bajaj. And recently, I will be approaching Kigamboni Bridge. Whereby by introduction, Kigamboni Bridge by length is one of the longest. Is one of the longest cable stayed bridge in East Africa, which by length is about 680 meters long. And this bridge actually has been one of the attraction point in Tanzania, and it's kind of connecting these parts between Tanzania mainland and there is and Kigamboni Island itself. But apart from this bridge, there is another side whereby people can cross to the other side of the country by using pontoons and by paying slow amount of money, like little fees, to cross over. But still, on this bridge, which we call it Nyerere Bridge, there is a toll. So in front of me there is a toll center whereby motorcycle pay the rate different compared to cars and to the big cars as well. So this is Nyerere Bridge. So don't confuse you. When somebody say Nyerere Bridge and Kigamboni Bridge, they are just the same. They are the same. And now I'm approaching a toll center. So anyway guys, this is going to mark the end of this Noni trip. I'm going to have a beach party today as it's my birthday. So I would like to say thank you so much for watching. If you found this video entertaining, just consider sharing with a friend and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And later I will share a night ride video as well.